Hi, how are you? And in this reading vlog, I would like to discuss a novel that I'm reading on Audible, and that novel is The Insulted and the Injured by Fyodor Dostoevsky. So, this is one of his less known novels. Still, I found time to read this, and I'm almost halfway into this novel. And here, I would love to talk about young girl's character. Her name is Elena or Nellie later on. So before I discuss or venture into details about her characters, I would like to discuss the background of the story. Otherwise, alone discussing her character would be vague. So in this novel, in the beginning of novel, there is an old man, and the protagonist of our novel is Ivan Petrovich. So old man dies at a sport, so I will tell you all about this very fast, okay? And maybe I will by mistake omit the major details as well. So this old man and this protagonist of a novel, they are at a place, and old man dogs dies there. And now old man is in a shock, so old man goes out of the place, uh, because there is also a debacle, or you can say some kind of argument going on. So old man goes out of the place or a shop, and the protagonist of a novel also goes out and follows him. Old man goes further and further, and he sits somewhere at a place, and the protagonist talks to him and asks him like how does he feel. And meanwhile, after a conversation of only 5 to 10 minutes, old man dies as well. First, see, you see, first the dog dies, and now the old man dies. So old man tells him about his in the end, before he dies, he says something like Sixth Street, or a name of a street, and some other area as well. So this happens after some time. Throughout many events, the protagonist, as the old man was living in his house alone with his dog, the protagonist of a novel shifts to his place because his rental accommodation is more cheap. So after 6 months, 6 months has passed, and our protagonist is now living at old man's lodging. It's a rental accommodation. So one day a girl comes. The girl is quite young, and she enters the house, and our protagonist Ivan Petrovich suddenly gets shocked, and that girl doesn't say anything because she is in a shocking phase. Our protagonist asks her what happened. She says, where's the old man? Like, our author says that he died long ago. Then girl gets shocked immediately on hearing this news, and our protagonist becomes more gentle, and he thinks that he has uh, treated this girl unfairly by speaking bluntly. So he tells her that because of something, old man died 6 months ago. First the dog died, and the old man died later on. So the girl immediately leaves the house, and in this way, as you can see, this is the way of connection that they get to know each other in the beginning of this novel. So now after 6 months, the girl starts visiting to this place frequently, after once in a while, and they are not on a good terms as of now, but still girl likes to visit this place more and more because it's the girl is old father's granddaughter. So now you can see the connection why that girl has visited this place. So one day the girl comes, and it is quite late in the evening, and they talk for a while, and the girl says that she wants to leave now as it is too late, and she gets afraid. She is in very scary position. She says that uh, the lady where she stays, she will beat her because she is late. So Ivan says that don't worry, we will take a cab and we will go there together, because he has some kind of work there, not at her house, but somewhere in the street. At first, girl doesn't agree with this, but later on she agrees, and they go there. And when they are about to reach the girl's place, the girl says that just be here, don't follow me anymore. I will go there from now on. So the girl goes there and enters her house, and Ivan follows her surreptitiously, and he stays outside the house. After few minutes, he listens to abusive wordings, and then there are slaps and the shrieks of the little girl. And there is so much uh, hustle and bustle in the house, and it is kind of a scandal. Immediately seeing this mistreatment by the lady, Ivan enters the house and scolds the lady that why she is abusing this young girl. Then the lady, she says that uh, who are you, this is none of your business, just do your work, how dare you to enter her house, and this kind of thing goes on. And later on, when he goes out of the house, Ivan sees a lady who was also present during the conversation. He asks her what's her relationship, what's the lady's relationship with the girl. So the lady says that if it is possible, take this young girl away from this place because of some reason. And at the same time, that lady's husband arrives, and he says that that's enough, no, don't talk much, that's none of our business. And both the lady and her husband enter their house, and this is the end of the conversation. So after some time, when he not maybe on the same night, when he goes back, he suddenly meets his old acquaintance, and he asks him about this lady. And the old acquaintance says that this is a notorious place, and this lady has been in the business of infamy or notorious business, and it's not a good business. As you can say that he doesn't say it is a prostitution or a brothel house, but he says it that it's she indulges in a business of infamy. So as you can see, and you can connect that how the story is moving forward. And after some time, Ivan makes a plan to save that girl from that lady's house. And suddenly, after planning with his acquaintance, they save the girl, they bring the girl to Ivan's house. So now, as you can see, the main point for which I am making this video, now the Elena, who is the young girl of 12 or 13, she is staying at Ivan's house, and she is in a feverish state. And Ivan manages to bring a doctor as well, and doctor says that there is nothing to worry, and her condition will be improved in a while. So Elena, as she has been recovered or saved from that brothel, and she doesn't know that she was in a brothel as she is too young. Maybe she knows, but at this stage of this novel, she doesn't know much, in my opinion. So she stays there. On the very first night, she doesn't talk to Yvonne because she is in a different state, as she is in someone else's house, and she feels uncomfortable there, but she doesn't talk to him. At once, after 1 or 2 days, I guess, she says that she will go back and she can't stay here. She will go there because the lady where she was staying, she says that Elena is in debt of her mother because her mother was also in debt, and Elena wants to go back because she wants to pay the debt of her mother. As you can see, the psychological state of this young girl, that she, for honor's sake, as she has to pay this debt, this is the matter of honor now. For honor's sake, she is ready to be dishonorable. You can see the imagination of this young girl of the 19th century, and the mental state she is in right now. And this is the one instance when she shows her mettle, she shows her courage, like she is ready to face the suffering at the hand of that lady, because the lady used to abuse her mother. So Elena says that she is going there because she doesn't want the lady to abuse her mother. She will pay her debt at whatever cost, and she will stop her for abusing her mother. So you can see the level of honor in this situation. Secondly, in this mental state, the Yvonne, the protagonist, she convinces Elena that she cannot go back there as the house of his ill fame, and this is not a good place. So, by some reluctance, Elena manages to stay with his place, and once in a while, when like it's been quite a few days she has been staying at his place, she asks him, where do you manage to get your laundry done? She says that she can do his laundry because she knows it very well, and she also says that she can do his kitchen work as well because she knows how to cook. And she also says that uh, she can clean the floor, and she can broom it well, or she can mop it down. So you can just try to signify the mental state she is in. She is staying at his place without paying anything, without doing any work, and she thinks that if she doesn't do anything, Yvonne will eventually scold him like the lady abused him in the past. So she is in a state that she wants to do something for Yvonne. So you can imagine that what kind of trauma she has faced in her past. The result is that her current mental condition. So she is most of the time silent, and she is in a very timid and meek position. She is scared by her brutal circumstances and past tortures by that lady. And this is the thing, like at this stage I haven't finished that novel. So many weeks, I think a week or two have been passed, and she is on good terms with Yvonne. She stays at his place. In the beginning, when Yvonne used to go out, he used to lock the door from the outside because he feared that the young girl would go back to the old place because she doesn't know much. So he would lock the door from outside. Gradually, when their understanding enhanced, and the young girl said she would never leave him, she would stay here, he should trust her. So Yvonne provided her the key and told her that she should lock the door from the inside, and if somebody came, she should ask her who he or she is, and only then she should open the door. So there is an understanding emerging in between them, but at a very gradual pace. And because of the long phase of torture in her life, it's difficult for her to be normal at a very rapid pace. And this story is also her story is also kind of attached or related to the story of the novel that is going on. I have just discussed a very brief point uh, in this novel, and there are many other significant events going on in this novel which are also very interesting. And I hope if you pick this novel up, you will also come across this girl, and you will find her character, her mental state very interesting and worth remembering for many days to come. With that, I think this is enough that I wanted to talk about in this video about that young girl, Elena. And I liked her very much, and she is very close to my heart. And I'm very thankful to Ivan as well, because he's very uh, good in his approach. In this novel, let me tell you, he is a novelist. He has recently published a novel, and he has been successful with his first novel. Yeah, he has got fame, and he's very famous in the literary circles as well. And there are some articles about his novel as well, which praise him quite in good terms. So this is just a brief snippet of this novel. I can't talk too much, otherwise my video will be too long. So that's it for now, and give me your permission. I hope one day I will talk about this novel and review it properly and from beginning to end. Thank you so much. Have a good time if you are still here watching my video till the end.